Join me as I dive into the unboxing of Samsung's best memory card in 2024 and see if it lives up to the hype. Samsung's latest memory card has been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. With the growing demand for high-quality storage solutions, this memory card is poised to take the top spot in 2024. When it comes to memory cards, users often face a multitude of issues. One of the most frustrating problems is slow data transfer speeds. Who hasn't experienced the agony of waiting for what feels like an eternity for their files to transfer? It's a nightmare that can quickly turn your workflow into a hassle. Another common issue is reliability. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a project, and your memory card suddenly becomes corrupted or stops working altogether. The thought of losing your precious data is a constant worry. In addition to speed and reliability, compatibility is also a major concern. With so many devices on the market, it can be a challenge to find a memory card that works seamlessly with your specific device. And let's not forget about capacity. With the ever-increasing demands of modern technology, we need memory cards that can keep up with our storage needs. The Samsung memory card boasts some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. With its ultra-fast U3 and V30 speed ratings, you can enjoy lightning-quick data transfer speeds that will revolutionize your workflow. In addition to its speed, this memory card also offers an impressive storage capacity of up to 1 terabyte. That's right, folks. You can store a massive amount of data on this tiny device. But what really sets this memory card apart is its unique selling points. For instance, it's built with a durable design that can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it the perfect choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Finally, Samsung has also included advanced security features to protect your valuable data. With this memory card, you can have peace of mind knowing that your files are safe and secure. As I unbox the Samsung memory card, I have to say that I'm impressed by its sleek and modern design. The compact size makes it easy to slip into my pocket or bag, making it the perfect accessory for on-the-go professionals. The moment of truth, I insert the memory card into my device, and I'm blown away by its performance. The speeds are incredibly fast, and the data transfer is seamless. In terms of design, the memory card feels solid and premium, with a rugged build that inspires confidence. I can already imagine using this memory card for all my storage needs. Overall, my first impressions of the Samsung memory card are extremely positive. It's clear that Samsung has put a lot of thought and effort into creating a premium product that meets the demands of modern users. In conclusion, the Samsung memory card is a powerhouse of a device that offers unparalleled speed, reliability, and storage capacity. With its unique selling points and advanced security features, it's a must-have for tech enthusiasts and professionals in 2024. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with memory cards in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. I'll catch you in the next one.